Now joins us, the BJP is at 116, crossing. If this is the way it stays, Shantanu is clapping in the studio already. Shivraj Singh Chouhan could be leading the BJP to power for the fourth time. Are your nails still there? Have you bitten them off, Nalin Kohli? This is a T20 match and it's going down to the wire.
Well, first of all, Rahul, I was watching your show in the morning, and I think Axis seemed to have broadly predicted fairly correctly with regard to TRS and also with regard to Chhattisgarh, and broadly their trends seem to be correct. So, I mean, that credit always goes to anyone who gets it. It's very difficult to predict results
even
in India.
Even in Madhya Pradesh, that trend is correct. Polls. He said it will be a nail-biting finish. That's the way it's going.
As we saw with other states, tight fight. Yeah, right.
That's what we predicted.
Yes. So I think we need to wait. In Madhya Pradesh, I would certainly hold our horses. I mean, your description of calling it a T20 match or a nail-biting finish down to the last ball will be down to the last seat, down to the last vote counted. So we'll have to wait till literally 12:30, maybe 1 o'clock when the last vote is out. So it's a tight finish and it's changing every minute. But certainly in Chhattisgarh, it's a vote against us conclusively. In TRS, it's a vote against the Mahagathbandhan of the Congress with the TDP and others. In Mizoram, it's a vote against the Congress because their government has gone out and now the MNF has come. BJP has opened its account, which is full marks to the party and to Himanta Biswa Sarma, who's leading that for the party in the northeast. But in Rajasthan, where it was indicated we would lose, it's not been such a bad finish, but credit to the Congress for being able to form the government there. So we need to wait for Madhya Pradesh before we pass our final vote.
You know, look at how this has changed in an hour. An hour ago, it appeared the Congress was winning three. The BJP was not winning a single state. Subsequent to that, the Congress is actually now leading in only
Chhattisgarh.
Is actually leading in 1.5. Chhattisgarh and Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan close to the majority. But if they lose Madhya Pradesh and don't get a majority on their own in Rajasthan, it's completely a different picture. Then it's an even race.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you would love to.